Pure powder meets purer water.
A perfect bed of raw material.
The first wash removes the earth.
It wets more than parts dust and blades than in the dirt.
The journey to purity begins here.
Every piece is digitally profiled. Sizing begins with a brutal, rotating sort. A pressurized storm removes the final traces of Earth. Dry and pristine, ready for refinement. An invisible magnetic field ensures metallic purity. Rollers exert tons of pressure, pulverizing crystal into powder. Centrifugal force separates powder from air.
A perfect bed of raw material, ready for transformation. Extreme heat drives off organic impurities at a molecular level. Calcined, cooled, and weighed. The base ingredient is ready.
Pure powder meets purer water, creating a saturated brine.
Multi-stage filtration removes impurities at the molecular level. In a vacuum, brine boils at low heat, forcing perfect crystals to form. This is the birth of a new crystal, the core of food-grade purity. A chain of vacuum chambers maximizes efficiency, yielding more from every drop.
Centrifugal force separates the newborn crystals from their liquid womb.
The result, a mass of crystals that is over 99.9% pure sodium chloride.
Precision screening ensures every grain meets the exact size specification.
Analyzed and confirmed, pharmaceutical-grade purity, now in bulk storage. A micron-thin coating is applied, guaranteeing free flow. Crystal structure and coating uniformity are verified at 500x magnification. The final, fail-safe check for any foreign material. A hermetic heat seal locks in purity and guarantees shelf life. Every seal is verified by machine vision. Perfection is non-negotiable. Weight is the final measure of promise to the customer. Heat transforms loose packaging into a protective second skin. Sealed, secured, and ready for its journey. A robotic hand begins the precise art of pallet building. Layer by interlocked layer, a monument to consistency rises. plastic film is spun into a secure, protective cocoon. Labeled with its digital passport, the pallet is complete. From crystal to pallet, the journey of purity enters its final phase. Every pallet is logged, tracked, and known to the system. Product flows to the dock, summoned by the logic of logistics. The gateway to the world opens. The trailer transforms into a vault of pure, edible salt. Sealed and secured, the payload begins its journey. Within this simple package lies a landscape of pure crystal. A city dedicated to a single, perfect ingredient. From the ancient sea to the modern table, a journey of elemental transformation.